Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Bitcoin is currently trading below $25,000. Is it the best time to start FOMOing into the market? Should we start buying some Bitcoin right now? Are we going to see new all-time highs, or are we going to get to $30,000 in this relief rally? From the bottom right here, Bitcoin is up over 40%. Since the market started pumping, we have very green months in the crypto market. All coins are going to the moon. In the last 1 month, they have been making a huge pump to the upside. So should we start forming right now? In this video, we're taking a look at some Bitcoin price chart. Bitcoin market cap is currently at $474 billion. We're looking at general crypto market, comparing it to Bitcoin. Should we start buying Bitcoin right now? Is this the best time to FOMO back into the market? And how high can Bitcoin go in this relief rally? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long term holding, trading, or investing in Bitcoin, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, the crypto market is still in fear, but yesterday we picked our head above neutral. I told you guys we're heading towards neutral. We have been stuck in extreme fear for a very long time, and we're singing it on this channel. That was the best time to buy Bitcoin. And if you bought Bitcoin then, right now you would have been in profit. So the question is, should you continue buying Bitcoin right now? Because it looks as if Bitcoin is heading towards 30,000. A lot of people are calling for new all-time highs just yet, saying the bear market is over. Guys, I don't think the bear market is over, but we might see Bitcoin heading to as high as 28, maybe $30,000. There's even a possibility we might see Bitcoin heading to as high as $40,000. Currently, Bitcoin 200-day moving average is currently at 32,000. And the last time Bitcoin was pumping, the last time we had a rally in March 2022, Bitcoin got stopped out at that average, at 200 moving average. And right now, will Bitcoin get stopped out there? If Bitcoin gets stopped out there, Bitcoin will head towards that $28,000 to $30,000 region. And a lot of people have been pointing out that that's a very important region for Bitcoin. And guys, if you look at the price chart right here, you can see that Bitcoin doesn't have any significant support from 25,000 till at 28,000. 29,000 was the region that held us down in 2021. In 2021, we used that region as support right here when we're pumping to new all-time highs in February 2021. We had a mini bear market in June and July 2021. That region acted as support again. And in 2022, before we dumped into Goblin Town, we consolidated around that region, just where we now heard about the Celsius lunar situation, and boom, we dumped to Goblin Town. Bitcoin got to as low as 17,600. Can we go lower than that? A lot of people are calling for 14,000. I believe Bitcoin might go lower than 17,800. I don't think it might get to as low as 14,000. But if it gets to as low as 14,000, that will be a good buying opportunity. But guys, it looks as if in this market right now, the max pain is upwards. A lot of market participants are unstable. They are waiting for lower prices. People are believing that no, Bitcoin can continue pumping. It has to dump at some point in time. But we have to ask ourselves, this relief rally, how high can it go? Guys, with the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Bitcoin right here on the 8th of November 2021 to the bottom we have right here that came in June 2018, guys, you can see that the Fibonacci retracement tool that showed us the retracement levels Bitcoin will need to clear if we are going to see new all-time highs. The first important level that Bitcoin will face significant resistance is going to be this $29,000 region. As I told you guys earlier in this video, this region has been pivotal for Bitcoin in the last 2 years. If by some stroke of luck we can get above that level, then the next level we'll be battling against will be the $37,000 region. And I don't think we'll spend quite a number of days here. We might just consolidate here for some hours, maybe 2 days, and then we'll face the real resistance level, and that's a 50% retracement fall from the all-time high. And this way, I think maybe, just maybe, we might see the relief rally topping at this $43,000 region. This is the region where a lot of people will get bullish. All the bears will turn to bulls, and all the bulls will say, you know what, we're going to new all-time highs, Bitcoin to 50K, yada yada yada. Because guys, from the bottom that came in for Bitcoin right here on the 18th of June 2022, Bitcoin is just up only 38%. Now I'll be showing you some other charts in the market to show maybe, just maybe, this is not the time to start FOMOing into Bitcoin. Even though the fear and greed gets to showing us that we're heading towards greed, we know that you want to be buying when we're extreme fear and you want to be selling when we're extreme greed. But guys, the altcoin market is outperforming Bitcoin. Yes, if you're holding altcoins, you'll be happy. You want to see Ethereum up over 62% in the last 30 days. That's a good sign. But as far as Bitcoin is not performing well, this rally is going to be short-lived. In the last 1 year, Bitcoin is down 45.5%, but in the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 19.6%. In the last 1 week, Bitcoin is up 6.9%, and the last 1 day, Bitcoin is up 1.2%. But altcoins are really popping really well, and history has shown that anytime altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, maybe just maybe we're getting to the end of that rally. This is the altcoin season index, and while we're looking at it, it's showing us when altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. And anytime this index shows us it's all season, it means in the top 50 coins, over 75 of them have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 90 days. And history has shown that anytime we're in all season, it means the rally is almost over, and after all season, we'll be dumping back to goblin town. Guys, if you take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, Bitcoin market cap dropped from the all-time high where Bitcoin market cap got to as high as $1.29 trillion in November 2021. Bitcoin's market cap dropped more than 74% to as low as $335 billion. Right now, Bitcoin has a market cap of $474 billion, and you can see that when we dumped, we went to the previous all-time high. We back-tested the previous all-time high. If we're going to get a relief rally in Bitcoin, how high will Bitcoin go? We might see Bitcoin's market cap face significant resistance at this $560 billion level. That was the level that held us down. 2021, we used that region as a support. Right now, if that level holds us again, we might just start pumping to new all-time highs. But if we get rejected by that $568 billion level, we might start seeing new all-time lows for Bitcoin. That's another reason why a lot of people are saying maybe, just maybe, the bottom is not in. But guys, if the bottom is not in, why should we start buying some Bitcoin right now? It's because Bitcoin is not performing well against Ethereum. And history has shown that anytime Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, we're getting to the end of that rally. Guys, this is the Bitcoin Ethereum price chart. This is showing us how Bitcoin is performing against Ethereum. When Bitcoin was launched, when Ethereum was launched right here in 2015, you could get over 521 Ethereums with just one Bitcoin. The all-time low was when we said in May 2017, when you could only get 6.6 Ethereum with one Bitcoin. Guys, since 2019, Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin. In that period of time, Bitcoin has lost more than 79% of its valuation against Ethereum. In 2019, you could get more than 59 Ethereums with one Bitcoin. Right now, you could get only 12 Ethereums with one Bitcoin. But will Ethereum continue outperforming Bitcoin? Ethereum continue outperforming Bitcoin, setting new all-time lows on the Bitcoin Ethereum price chart. Because guys, the lowest Ethereum we were able to get with our Bitcoin was on the 21st of May 2018. That was the last time you could get over 12 Ethereums to one Bitcoin. If we break this level, if we see Ethereum continue outperforming Bitcoin heading to the merge, we might be able to get 8.5, maybe as low as 6.6 Ethereum with one Bitcoin. Only time will tell if that will be possible. Guys, Bitcoin in the last 1 year has gone as high as 68,000 and as low as 17,000. Bitcoin is still the king in the market. Bitcoin is ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 3.4 million people that have Bitcoin on their watch list. Currently, we have 19.1 million Bitcoins in circulation out of a maximum supply of 21 million tokens. Guys, where can you buy Bitcoin? If you want to buy Bitcoin to hold through the bear market, you can buy Bitcoin on basically any exchange you trade. You can buy it on Binance, Coinbase, FTX, Qcoin, Gate.io. I'll put a link in the description for you if you want to get it on the biggest exchange in the world, on Binance. But guys, how is Bitcoin performing against the rest of the market? From the bottom that came in for Bitcoin right now, you see that Bitcoin is up around 40% from that bottom. How high has the rest of the market gone since the market bottom? The market bottom right here on the 18th of June 2022. And since then, the total crypto market is up over 51.96%. That means the total crypto market is outperforming Bitcoin. And guys, history has shown that anytime this is happening, you want to be very, very careful. You don't want to FOMO into Bitcoin. I'm giving you all the reasons why you don't want to FOMO right now, but guys, you have to make that decision for yourself. It doesn't mean Bitcoin will stop pumping. Bitcoin can still continue pumping. We can continue seeing the total crypto market cap pumping into new all-time highs, or maybe to other retracement level. But another important thing you want to notice that total crypto market cap is doing, that total crypto market cap is back to this resistance level, is back to the region where we were in May, June, and July 2021. You can see that where we are right now for total crypto market, the $1.15 trillion region has acted as major support and resistance for the total crypto market. In 2021, we used that region as resistance right here. Then we turned it to support in the mini bear market we had in 2021. Before we continued dumping the goblin town in 2022, we had to consolidate around that region. Right now, that region is acting as resistance. Are we going to break through it, or are we going to continue dumping to still lower prices? And that's another reason why you want to be careful with Bitcoin. The total crypto market cap has gotten back to this $29,000 level for Bitcoin, but you can see that Bitcoin is still lagging. And if we look at Bitcoin's dominance, you can see that Bitcoin dominance in the market is actually falling. It's the lowest it has been in the last 2 months. It's actually at the levels where we were in all season in 2021. So when Bitcoin dominance was around this 40% level in 2021, everybody shouting all season to the moon. The dollar is actually pumping right now, so this is another important sign we have to be looking at. And we know that anytime the dollar is pumping, Bitcoin is dumping. Anytime the dollar is dumping, Bitcoin is pumping. It looks as if right now the dollar is actually dumping. So maybe, just maybe, we'll see Bitcoin pumping. Guys, with all these metrics I've shown you, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think we should start buying Bitcoin right now? Is this the time to start FOMOing into Bitcoin? Even though the fear and greed index is telling us we're heading towards greed, even though the altcoin market is showing us we're in all season, altcoins are going to the moon, should we start FOMOing in, or should we start selling into the rally? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7